G'day guys, I'm standing in front of a recently completed build. It's our E39 LS swap. You guys have probably seen a little bit of stuff on social media which has just shown off a little bit of the engine bay and some of the stuff going together. Today I'm just going to walk around and show you the car and we'll have a bit of a closer look in the engine bay and I'll explain what we've done. And then hopefully we can move over to the dyno and show you a run and then we can get it off to the customer. So yeah, engine bay shot here. You've probably seen a few of these already, but just to go through and show the features of the bay, we have an enclosed air filter setup which complies with engineering. Got our headers down in there. Everything else is plumbed up pretty factory-like. We've got our heater core and heater tap system all hooked up and working. Same with the AC. We're running a BMW compressor with a custom bracket that allows us to use the factory lines and retain all of that. ABS module still in and functional, header tank, radiator and fan. It's all pretty straightforward and tidy. We've got our remote oil filter system down there so you can add a cooler and easily do oil changes. Yeah, so bit of a sleeper. It's still a factory car on the outside, just an M Sport E39. Started life as a 525, 6-cylinder, so it's got the steering rack set up. Interior's pretty stock. We have a fully functional dash. The only thing that really stands out is the shifter, which is a aftermarket style shifter for adjustable shift throw and keeps it nice and direct and tight feeling. And of course a nice custom exhaust system underneath which lets it breathe and sound good. Just inside the car you can see it running with the CAN bus interface module. We've got a tacho and temp gauge. At the moment we've got the AC on. You've probably just heard the fan. That's working off the factory IHKA control module button. Is that cold?
Nice and cold.
So we'll roll it up onto the dyno now and we'll pull a run and see what it sounds like and see what we get on the power. Alright guys, so we're just on the dyno now. Let's run it up and see what it does. Hopefully we hear some good noises, see some good clean power, and then we can take it off and take it to transport for the customer to receive up at Mount Isa. Let's go. Alright, so we got 250, just over 250 kilowatts at the wheels. We suspect it's possibly a mildly cammed 6-litre. We thought it was stock, but with a 369 ratio diff in fourth, our air temp only being around 20 degrees on the dyno, so correction factor's not really there. It's making a bit above what a 6-litre should, so possibly a mild cam in it, but nice and clean we think, and ready for the customer to take and enjoy on the road.